When unpacking Evolve panels, gently cut the shrink wrap along the side of the panels, avoiding damage. Always lift the panels completely off the ground and protect walls and panels when leaning or stacking panels. Be sure to place panels frame to frame to avoid one panel leaning into the middle or the edge of the fabric portion of another panel. Installing Evolve mainly requires a common drill, and occasionally a fabric roller should be used to stretch panel fabric that may have become loose during handling. This is the variable clamp. It is used when installing Evolve corner posts, when installing panels of two different heights, and when adding extension modules. Lift one side of the panel and fit the panel's hook on the connector's leveling assembly. When fully engaged, the two slots at the top of the connector will align with the two slots at the top of the panel. Insert the clamp through both sets of slots. The two clamp screws do not require a high torque setting. Do not over-tighten them. End of run connectors attach in the same way as corner posts. Use a double clamp when connecting two panels of equal height. To avoid panel top trim misalignment, use the top trim leveler. Place it between two trims so they will both match.